Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan committed to defend Holy Mosque, guard Kingdom of Saudi Arabia integrity. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa said Pakistan was resolute in its commitment to safeguarding the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Saudi Arabia and defense of the two holy mosques. PM Imran Khan, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman hold delegation-level talks. Prime Minister Imran Khan and Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdul Aziz held delegation-level talks to discuss the bilateral ties and the ways to further strengthen the cooperation. Modi pushes ahead with 1.8 billion parliamentary revamp despite critical COVID-19 situation. Despite India undergoing a critical coronavirus situation as the number of the infection rises to 1.57 million together with 15,100 deaths this week alone, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is pushing ahead with parliamentary revamp which would cost 1.8 billion. Saudi Arabia to make COVID-19 vaccinations mandatory for all workers. All public and private sector workers wishing to attend a workplace in Saudi Arabia will be required to have taken a COVID-19 vaccination, the Human Resources Ministry said on Friday without specifying when this would be implemented. Chinese COVID vaccine gets WHO emergency approval. The World Health Organization has granted emergency approval for the COVID vaccine made by Chinese state-owned company Sinopharm. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Iran talks aim to reduce regional tensions. A Saudi Foreign Ministry official said that talks between Saudi Arabia and Iran aim to reduce regional tensions, but added it was too early to judge the outcome and Riyadh wanted to see verifiable deeds. US deploys dozens of jets for protection of withdrawing troops. The United States has deployed a dozen additional warplanes to bolster protection of American and troops making a final withdrawal from Afghanistan as Taliban insurgents step up pressure on Afghan government forces. France to impose quarantines for arrivals from 7 countries including Pakistan. France has ordered a mandatory 10 days quarantine for arrivals from 7 additional countries, including Pakistan, in a bid to control the spread of COVID-19. Japan to extend state of emergency by 3 weeks to May 31st. Japan's government is set to extend on Friday a state of emergency in Tokyo and 3 other areas by about 3 weeks until the end of May to curb a surge in novel coronavirus cases just months before the start of the Tokyo Olympics. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.